What's happening, guys? In this video we're going to be going over the Tahoe updates. A ton of you have been asking about them, so we're going to go over that in this video. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. Alright guys, so let's get into this. I told you this year we're going to be bringing out a crazy build, and you're going to see how crazy it is starting in this video. We're going to be putting a steel cage in the Tahoe. I never thought I was going to be doing this because it's just so over the top. But once you get to this level of car audio, you have to start making it so rigid and so strong, you have to bring the steel in. You just can't do it with wood and, only wood, and get to this level without increasing the weight drastically. Like if we did this with all wood, we probably wouldn't be able to fit what we're trying to do in there, which is going to be 9/18s, and it still be drivable. I still want it to be somewhat drivable, so by using the steel, it's actually cutting, I know it may sound crazy, but it's actually cutting down on the weight, the overall weight of the vehicle, by a decent amount. So be sure to check out this video on the steel cage that we got started in this video. Ivan and his crew over there are crushing it. There's been nobody in the history of working on the Tahoe that's knocked stuff out as fast as them. They are doing an amazing job over there at Custom Empire. So if you're looking for somebody in the Florida area or to take your build to from all over the US, I mean, I'm from Las Vegas and I took my vehicle over there to Orlando, Florida area, so that should tell you the amount of work that they can do, the great job that they can do is amazing.
Por supuesto.
On the shows that we're going to be attending this year. I know a ton of you are wondering what the shows are, where we're going to be at and everything like that. So be sure to click on or go to the description of this video and you'll see a link to a calendar. That's going to be our calendar for this year, and we're going to start filling it up with all the shows we're going to be at. I can go ahead and tell you, Scraping the Coast in Biloxi, Mississippi, that show we always go to. Indianapolis, which is Slamology, we're always at that one. The Sundown show in North Carolina, we're always at that one. So those are going to be on there for sure, but I constantly am adding other shows to attend so I can be out there with my fellow bass heads I enjoy giving demos, but I also equally enjoy getting demos. As long as they're not like 180 dB, that'll mess you up pretty bad. So if you're at that level, I'll just bow down to you and tell you got a great build, and I'll video other people getting in there getting tortured, because that's just a nasty amount of bass right there. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. That helps us out a ton. Be sure to drop a comment below, and also don't forget to share this video on all your social media outlets so you can show the people what the new Neo-Ho, I don't even know what I'm going to call it. I got to come up with a name. What do you think we should name this new build? Because I've always had like Tahoe, Neo-Ho, like all these different names for the Tahoe, but I'm like, I don't know what to name this new rebuild. So drop your comment below letting me know what you think the new Tahoe should be called, and if it gets a ton of likes, heck, I might just use it, and we might just name the Tahoe build this year after your thought. So appreciate you joining in on this video. If you need anything, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below as well. We're always trying to answer questions, but we will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Later. Yo, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.